Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. Dear student, in the last lecture we discussed the electrochemical cell, but today we are going to study a very important topic, electrochemistry, which is the concept of electrolytes. So let's understand the concept of electrolytes step by step. Introduction. Before we begin, let's recall what is stored in some substances when dissolved in water are melted can conduct electricity and others cannot. And the substances which conduct electricity in a solution are called electrolytes. Now, definition of electrolytes. What is student? Electrolytes are substance that produces ions when dissolved in water, mean aqueous solution, or in molten form, and hence conduct electricity is called an electrolyte. Example: NaCl, KCl, HCl, H2SO4, NaOH. And non-electrolytes mean a substance which does not produce ions and therefore does not conduct electricity, and solution is called a non-electrolyte. Example: sugar, alcohol, urea. Now, types of electrolytes. For dear student, electrolytes are mainly of two types. First one, strong electrolytes. Strong electrolytes completely dissociate, mean ionize and water, produce a large number of ions, conduct electricity strongly. Example: HCl, H2SO4, NaOH, NaCl, KOH. Question: NaCl, nickel solution, GAF, and positive plus Cl negative. And the second one is weak electrolytes. Weak electrolytes partially dissociate, mean ionize in water, produce fewer ions, and weak conductors of electricity. Example: C3COOH, NH4OH, H2CO3. Equation: C3COOH in equal solution GAF C3COO negative plus H positive. Now, mechanism of electrolytic conduction. Electrolyte solution ions are the charge carrier. Cation positive ions move toward the cathode, which are negative electrode. Anions negative ions move toward the anode, which is positive electrode. This movement of ions completes the electric circuit. Now, importance of electrolytes or application. First, one biological rule: electrolytes like Na positive, K positive, Ca double positive are essential in blood and body fluids. And the second one is batteries. Electrolytes are the medium for ion conduction, e.g., a lead acid battery, lithium ion battery. And the third one is electroplating. Electrolytes deposit metal on object. And the fourth one is electrolysis. Electrolytes help in extraction of metal like sodium, aluminum, and copper. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on the concept of electrolytes. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you on next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.